Hello guys, welcome back guys. Guys, my name is Alden Dre. Guys, we're going to play Granny guys. So I'm going to upload my other channel. Guys, there is the new updates in this game. So I'm gonna play it 1 second. Guys, if you want to see more videos on my channel, subscribe to my channel. Also guys, please subscribe, okay? So I'm gonna play Granny for this, okay? We're going to play Granny 1 second, but she's hilarious thing ever. But I don't like it. I don't like this game. I don't like this game, guys. Okay, we're at the Granny. Also, also the guy looks like my mama. Looks like this Mr. Beast. I said Mr. Beast and also Ashley Speed. So let's see. What's that? I just say that every time. Okay, Granny. The guy looks like my mama. Oh my goodness, Granny. Bro, they give me lagging. Extra lagging, huh? Where's it, guys? Let me know in the comments, guys. Okay.
No!
Heck, man. What the heck?
You're not evil.
Bro, stop lagging. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Granny, no. Granny, go, 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 go. Go. Go, please. Let me know in the comment section, okay? This is my greatest section in the world. I'm gonna get 2025. A new year, I think, is. So I'm gonna make a different video, not long video. I'm gonna make a short video in a whole time. You made the wrong. No, Granny. What the heck? I'm shocked. I'm shocked. No, no, Granny. Doom to the hill. No, Granny, no. Oh my goodness, bro. They just. Okay, there's no ads. They just flunk it. They just fall. Okay, let me get data. I should show in my other channel, I guess. How about let's make non video? Okay, okay. Start. This the darkest thing ever. The heck happened? I guess. Okay. Where's the Granny? Can I do like this? Heck. What the heck? What the heck? What the heck? Oh no. What the heck? What the heck? Okay. Guys, we're playing Granny in 2 minutes. The fuck? Fudge? What the heck? No. Get into the car. Go! Mm. No, 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 please. Stop it. No. No, Granny. Granny, no. Granny! No, please. Granny, I'm begging you. Please. You can't see me. Eh, no! Granny. No! Granny! I'm dying. Okay. How can I survive? Okay. Unless my mom looks sick, I guess. Okay, next we need to become a YouTuber, guys. So, anyways, guys, I'm going to keep more and more. There's ads. What the heck? No, no ads. Get out here. No ads. Oh my goodness. I wanted to behave at school. What the heck? Okay. Okay, next only got day 3. Okay. That's good. That's good idea ever. Okay. It's gonna be the popular video in the world. That is called NPCs are becoming smart. Okay. So we need to survive in Granny. Okay. Okay. Okay, we're now on. Okay, guys. We're going to play Granny. Since we're going to just go to. Oh my god, what happened to my game? What happened? Oh my god, they keep on lagging. Go! Go! Oh my goodness. What the heck? Stop it. Oh my goodness. Wait. Uh, Come on, my mom's here. At 4 minutes. 4 minutes straight to the side. Straight to the side. Straight to the side. Oh no, 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 no. No, no, please. No, Granny. Oh, no, Granny. No, please. Granny. No, I'm going to mess your house. Noob. Noob, Granny. Just play now. Oh, no. No, Granny. No. Granny, I'm believing you. I'm believing you, God. God bless you. Love you, Benny. Oh. No. Granny. I'm gonna mess your house. Wait, hold on. Granny, wait, what's a second? Wait. Please come and make one, please. No. No, no. Granny,
Huggy, don't
Granny,
you dare.
no.
Huggy Wuggy, don't you dare. Huggy Wuggy, don't you dare. Huggy Wuggy,
Granny,
don't you dare.
oh no.
I told you, don't
I don't
you
do.
dare.
Okay, okay, okay. What the heck? Okay.
Line.
Oh, oh. Oh, Granny. Oh, no! No! Bro, this game is so hard. Bro! Okay. What the heck, man, guys? What the heck? Okay, I only got day 4. Come on, get day 4, guys. Day 4. Day 4! Okay. Give me the English version. Okay. What the heck, man? Why there's blood there? Why there's so many blood? Can see there's blood in there, inside there. Okay. Come on, keep playing. Keep playing. Oh my goodness. I'm lagging. No! No, Granny, Granny, Granny. Granny! Duh! The fang. The fang. Away someday. No, Granny. Granny, no. Granny knows. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Granny. Who needs me there? Oh, noob. Granny. No. Ugh. Granny, who needs there? Granny, can I mess your house, huh? Can I make your house very messy, huh? First time I'm gonna play it. Okay. He's still playing it. Okay. This is my other channel. It's called Grace. So please subscribe, okay? I like this game for Granny. Uh-huh. Gonna push this. Gonna push this before Granny will not get in. Go to downstairs, I guess. Downstairs, I guess. Okay. Oh my goodness, real ridiculous. So hard. Come on. What's that? It smells noodles. The heck, man. Okay. Okay, my mom will gonna cook it if I want to. Final trap. Come on, Granny. Come on. She will get. How? 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 Granny is cheating. Granny is cheating now. Poop poop. No. No, Granny. Na 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 na. Granny, no. Granny. Granny, I'm gonna create my other channel. Fuck. Sing. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Oh! No! No, 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 no. Granny, 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 Granny. No. No! Yo, Granny sees me. No! Why does my armpit look stinky? It looks good, but it looks good. Okay, guys, we need to survive in Granny's house. Okay. What the heck is that? There's ad. Who's that Japanese? The heck? Why there's Japanese in there? No, no, I don't want to pay it. Hero? What is hero? What is hero mean? Hero of archery. Wait. Okay, day 5, the last day. Okay. What the heck? What the heck, man? Oh my goodness. Why there's blood again? I need to survive. I need to survive in Granny's house. Okay. Okay, what the heck? No, I didn't even survive. Nah. Wrong way. Heck. Do not, please. Do not spawn downstairs, huh? I'm begging you. Look at Messi. Look how messy it is, huh? Don't make you messy, huh? You gotta make messy house. Messy base, huh? So good. No! No, Granny! Hmm. Na. No, Granny! Granny! No, I'm begging you. I'm begging you to play. Oh my gosh. Sorry.
No, Huggy. No, Huggy. I
Oh
don't want
no!
to be Huggy Wuggy. Huggy Wuggy.
Please,
Huggy
Granny!
Wuggy
Oh!
Wuggy.
No, Granny! Granny, please! Please!
Hear me. Huggy
Please,
Wuggy.
Granny!
Huggy
Can I get in a
Wuggy.
car? Let's see.
I'm just
Can I
an
start, please?
innocent
No, Granny.
child.
Oh my god! You almost killed me. What the heck, man? No! What the heck, Granny? What is wrong with this? What is wrong with you, Granny? Damn, bro. What the heck? Bro. Granny, now. Who's playing influence? Hmm. Was someone there? Let me see. What's that? Ah! Oh my god. Game over. Okay. So, anyways, guys, if you wanna share more videos on channel, subscribe to my channel in Eldrin Drace again. So, anyways, guys, please subscribe. Peace out, guys. Goodbye, guys.